I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping materials and conditioning the clay. You want it soft but not greasy. First, knead polymer clay 2 minutes, then press firmly into 1/2 of the Sanrio Magic Box mold. Make sure to press into corners. Use a toothpick to pop trapped air and smooth the surface with a finger. Once the first cavity is filled, trim excess with a flat blade so the piece will mate cleanly with its other half. Now you shape and detail the eraser. Take your time because precision matters. Carve eyes and mouth with small gouges, then add raised features like bows or ears using thin clay ropes. Press gently so features bond. Blend seams using a silicone tip tool or fingertip dipped in a bit of cornstarch to avoid sticking. Once detailed, align the two mold halves carefully, matching edges exactly, and press evenly to avoid warping. Finish by curing and refining the eraser so it functions and looks right. Follow the polymer clay temperature exactly, commonly 110 degrees to 130 degrees C. Bake for 15–30 minutes depending on thickness. Cool fully before handling. Sand edges starting with 220 grit and progress to 600–800 grit, then buff lightly for a smooth wipe. If you encounter cracking or brittleness, stop and treat the piece with a tiny glycerin wipe, then rebake at a slightly lower temperature for a shorter time. That usually restores flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.